A world of darkness. In our mind's eye, the ocean conjures up images of sun-dappled shallow waters teeming with colorful coral reefs or graceful dolphins leaping through the waves. But what about the vast, mysterious realm beneath those waves, where life finds a way to thrive in the most inhospitable of conditions, and where the secrets of our planet's history are waiting to be uncovered? Get ready to dive into the unknown and explore the hidden world of deep-sea sediments. The deep sea is a world of endless black, crushing pressures and bone-chilling cold where sunlight dares not tread. It is a place so alien to our own experience that it might seem hard to fathom. And yet, despite its forbidding nature, this hidden underwater realm is not only full of life, they are also incredibly resilient. Take the xenophyophore, a single-celled organism that can grow to enormous sizes, up to several centimeters in diameter. These giant cells have no mouth, gut, or nervous system, yet they somehow manage to survive in the crushing depths of the ocean, where pressures can reach thousands of times that of the surface, but also plays a critical role in shaping the very conditions that sustain life on our planet. These layers of mud and silt hold clues to the Earth's history, stretching back millions of years. Each grain of sediment is like a tiny time capsule, preserving information about the conditions that existed when it was deposited. For example, many deep-sea creatures have developed the ability to produce their own light through bioluminescence, helping them to camouflage themselves against the backdrop of the inky blackness, or to lure unsuspecting prey. By studying the genetic material preserved in deep-sea sediments, scientists have been able to track the changes in this community over time, revealing how it has been impacted by factors such as climate change and human activity. These sophisticated tools allow scientists to identify patterns and relationships that would not have been possible to detect with the naked eye or traditional methods. One such study published in the journal Frontiers in Marine Science in 2023 used machine learning to analyze the composition of deep-sea sediments in the Gulf of Mexico. The results revealed a previously unrecognized level of complexity in the ecosystem, highlighting the importance of sediments as habitats for a wide range of organisms. Others have evolved specialized sensory systems to detect the faintest vibrations or chemical traces of potential mates or sources of food. This breakthrough has allowed scientists to study the genetic material of extinct species without having to find their actual fossils. When these organisms die, their bodies, along with the shells and skeletons of other marine creatures, sink to the seafloor and become incorporated into the sediment. Over millions of years, this organic carbon accumulates in deep-sea sediments, effectively removing it from the atmosphere and mitigating the impacts of climate change, but also gaining valuable insights into the history of our planet and the evolution of life itself. Pollution from land-based sources, including agricultural runoff and sewage, can degrade the quality of deep-sea sediments, impacting the health of the organisms that live there and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Overfishing can lead to the depletion of key species, such as the humble amphipod, which plays a vital role in the food web. AUVs are equipped with a range of sensors and instruments that can collect data on a variety of parameters, including temperature, salinity, and the concentration of dissolved oxygen. This information can help scientists better understand the physical and chemical properties of deep-sea sediments and the factors that influence their formation. And climate change is causing shifts in ocean temperatures and currents that can disrupt the distribution and abundance of deep-sea organisms. By sharing their findings and engaging with the public, scientists are inspiring a new generation of ocean explorers and advocates who are passionate about protecting the health and integrity of our planet's deep sea. By analyzing the DNA in sediment cores, researchers have been able to reconstruct the history of life in the oceans over the past million years, identifying a wealth of new species and gaining insights into their ecology and evolution. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Your support means the world to us and allows us to continue exploring the wonders of our planet. Until next time, keep diving deep into the unknown and uncovering the hidden treasures of our natural world. Together, we can ensure that these hidden ecosystems continue to thrive and play their vital role in sustaining life on Earth. Using a cutting-edge submersible, the Deep-Sea Challenger, Cameron and his team plan to venture to the Hador Zone, the deepest region of the ocean, to collect samples and observe life in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. By doing so, we can ensure that the deep sea continues to thrive and plays its vital role in regulating our planet's climate. These adaptations are not just fascinating to behold, but also essential for the survival of these species in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Advancements in technology, such as the development of submersibles and autonomous vehicles, are allowing scientists to explore and understand the deep sea like never before, and other decomposers releasing nutrients back into the water column to support the growth of phytoplankton. This process helps to regulate the global carbon cycle, taking carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and storing it in the bodies of marine organisms. The relentless cycle of life and death on the seafloor plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. By studying the composition of the sediments, they can learn about the climate and environment of the time, including the temperature, rainfall, and even the types of vegetation that were present. They can also identify the remains of ancient creatures, shedding light on the evolution of life on Earth. Welcome to this video where today we will take you on an incredible journey into the heart of the deep ocean. Life in the sediment. Picture this, a seemingly lifeless expanse of dark, gooey mud at the bottom of the ocean. To the untrained eye, it might appear as nothing more than a barren wasteland. But upon closer inspection, a whole new world unfolds before us. Bacteria, the unseen heroes of this story, form the foundation of the food web, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. These microscopic marvels are joined by an array of other creatures, from the humble worm to the strange and spiny crustaceans. Each plays a vital role in the delicate balance of this underwater realm, a bustling metropolis of tiny creatures silently working to keep our planet alive. Deep-sea sediments are a surprisingly rich habitat, hosting a wide variety of organisms that have adapted to survive in the most extreme conditions. Take, for instance, the humble polychaete worm, which uses its feathery appendages to filter feed on the particles suspended in the water column, or the amphipod, a small crustacean that scavenges on the seafloor, crunching down on any organic matter it can find. These creatures might seem unassuming, but they are vital to the health of the deep-sea ecosystem. Their feeding activities help to break down dead organic matter, releasing nutrients that support the growth of phytoplankton in the upper layers of the ocean. This, in turn, forms the basis of the marine food web, providing sustenance for larger animals like fish and whales. But these little-known inhabitants don't just contribute to the functioning of the deep-sea ecosystem. Adapting to such extreme conditions has required these organisms to evolve unique survival strategies. Hidden treasures. As we continue our descent into the abyss, we uncover another layer of wonder, the hidden treasures buried within the sediments themselves. Scientists are like modern-day archaeologists, carefully sifting through these layers to piece together the history of our planet. One remarkable discovery made in recent years is the identification of a new type of ancient DNA, called environmental or eDNA, in deep-sea sediments. For example, in 2020, a study published in the journal Nature used EDNA to identify a previously unknown community of foraminifera, single-celled organisms with shells made of calcium carbonate that live in the surface waters of the ocean. Another exciting development is the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze the vast amounts of data generated by sediment studies. By unlocking the secrets held within deep-sea sediments, scientists are not only deepening our understanding of the natural world, a vital connection to the surface. While the deep sea might seem like a world unto itself, it is actually intricately connected to the surface of our planet. As organic matter, be it from microscopic organisms or larger creatures like whales, reaches the seafloor, it is broken down by bacteria, phytoplankton, tiny plants that drift in the sunlit surface waters of the ocean, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, effectively locking it away from the atmosphere. However, this vital process is threatened by human activities such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change itself. To protect this fragile ecosystem, we must take steps to reduce pollution and overfishing and address the root causes of climate change. Uncovering the hidden world. Despite the challenges and threats facing deep-sea sediments, there is hope on the horizon. One remarkable example is the Deep Sea Challenge, an ambitious project led by renowned filmmaker James Cameron that aims to explore the deepest parts of the ocean. Other exciting developments include the use of unmanned autonomous vehicles, or AUVs, to map and explore deep-sea sediments in greater detail. These technological advancements are not only helping to deepen our understanding of deep-sea sediments, but are also raising public awareness of the importance of these ecosystems and the threats they face. We hope that after watching this video you too will feel inspired to learn more about deep-sea sediments and to take action to protect them. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the bottom of the ocean, where life finds a way to not only survive, but to thrive in the most inhospitable of conditions.